The evolution of the glue gun is at hand with Westcott's new hot glue pen. Before you begin, insert your Westcott branded mini glue stick into the rear of the pen. You are able to release the glue stick by simply pressing in the release button and removing the stick. Once the first stick is fully inserted, insert a second glue stick behind the first, then firmly pull back the feeding mechanism. Now plug in the pen. Please note when the tip turns completely red, it is hot and ready for use. Now you are able to draw, dab, and design with an easy-to-use trigger and ergonomic design. Precision accuracy is delivered to every project. Suggested uses are plastic, felt, styrofoam, paper, and silk. Make sure to recharge the pen for continued use. Once your masterpiece is complete, simply unplug the cord from the wall outlet and wait approximately 15 minutes for the pen to cool. When the tip turns blue, it is safe to touch and put away for your next creation.